Hi guys, it's Colin here from the Miles Better Groove Funnel Party Facebook group and the Miles Better Business Tips Groove playlist. I was asked by one of the guys in the group to just do a little video screenshot on how I talked about the privacy policy from Groove Kart. So if you're on a lifetime membership, you've got Groove Kart. So here I have launched my Groove Kart store, and you can see there is this amazing privacy policy that's already written out for you. It is obviously linked to the fact you've got a Groove Kart, but it talks about EC, it talks about data breach, it talks about America, it talks about how to contact you, and obviously you can edit all of this both in Groove Kart, but if you cut and paste it into Groove Pages, you can create a block that you can just simply import to all of the pages. So as you would imagine, you just copy, and then inside Groove Funnels, you can simply create a blank block. So if you go to a wire block, and let's go to a content block. I took one that's perhaps got 2 levels, or maybe even 1. If you just want it as a long sail form, you would obviously bring that into your page. Here it is, and then you can just right click and copy it in, or Command V, or whatever you're using. Once you have then created this template and you've edited it and you're happy with the layout, you might want it as columns, you might want it as one thing, you would then simply use the star button and you can categorize it, you can create a category, you can pop it into one of these areas, and it will save it for you. I'm not going to save that because that's already there, but what I have done is obviously save the one I mentioned in my short posting, so it's inside all blocks, and there we go. I can just drag it in, and suddenly, hey presto, instantly, down the bottom, I have a policy and privacy policy printed out, ready to go. I can import that to as many pages, many websites as I like. So I hope that really helps, guys. So very simply, obviously go to Groove Kart, cut and paste, copy your whole thing, bring it over and bring it over. Now, when you cut and paste and bring it over, you are going to lose this trackability. You can put that back in if you want. I wasn't overly bothered. It's a privacy page. It meets Facebook's requirements. It meets Google's requirements. It means you can have a privacy policy along the bottom of your page inside using a navigation bar. Hope that makes sense, guys, and have a great weekend. Thanks, guys. If you like this video, please obviously subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook group, leave a comment. I'll reach out to you.